were just kids, out in the sticks, showing off, trying to learn new tricks from the cool kids on TV. You were my friend, we were younger then. Summer days, party all weekend, staying up dancing to the beat. Those days are gone, I'm still singing our favorite songs, and I wish you could sing with me. We were just 17, chasing all our dreams and making memories. Oh, we were just 17, trying to make our lives feel like the movie screen. Oh, as the years went by, I tried my best to get that summer off my mind, but not this time, 'cause in my dream we're still 17. We were just broke, so we shared a joke. We could work for a government paycheck, then retire by 22. It didn't last long, 'cause you couldn't hold on. You were gone by the break of dawn. That's the last time that I saw you. These days are fine, I'd give 'em up for one last time to tell you what you meant to me. We were just 17, chasing all our dreams and making memories. Oh, we were just 17, trying to make our lives feel like the movie screen. Oh, as the years went by, I tried my best to get that summer off my mind, but not this time, 'cause in my dream we're still 17. We were just 17, chasing all our dreams and making memories. We were just 17, trying to make our lives feel like the movie screen. As the years went